Welcome to the Elate channel. My name is Bronwen and I am the lead educator and artist. I love warm neutrals, so we created Serene. Serene is a capsule beauty kit that we have put together for you. I'm going to show you one example of how you can play with these beautiful colors. To complete this look, you will need the Serene Palette, the blend, eye color, and liner brushes, and our essential mascara. I haven't done my foundation so I can clean up any fallen eye color from my skin. Using the blend brush, I am placing SOAR eye color all over as my base. For the lid, I'm going to use Beloved and blend that into the crease. A pro tip is that you can use our powders for anywhere on the face. I'm going to use Titian cheek color with my blend brush and lay that into the crease. Diffuse it by gently moving the brush back and forth. Using the same brushing technique, add Kindle over top. To give it a little more depth, press Oracle just into the outer corners. Make this look a little more bold by dampening the liner brush with water and using Oracle to line the upper and lower lid. Start on the eye you find more difficult so it's easier to match them. Load on your essential mascara. Finish with your favorite base and add Titian to the cheeks. Stay up to date with everything Elate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can join our community on Instagram, Facebook, and sign up for our newsletter. I've shown you one way of how to use the Serene palette. Tag us in a photo of how you combine your eye colors. If you've enjoyed this video, like and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.